I'm just going to walk you through making one of these piston clocks. These two I've almost completed. This is what they start out as. Standard piston conrod. So on this one all I've done is degrease it, give it a quick clean up, and coated it in a clear matte finish lacquer. This one I've painted the conrod black, turned and faced the piston on the lathe and clear coated it. Obviously still waiting for the face on that one. Now I'm going to take this one and do the same thing and just walk you through it. So to get the piston off conrod, you have to take this circlip out. I'm just going to use some long nose pliers for that. Circlip out and then push the rod through. So we have gudgeon pin, conrod, piston separated. I'm going to take the piston, put it in the lathe, face off the crown, and turn down the skirt. I've already took the piston rings out. There it is, outside's all turned, front face is turned, back edge of the skirt faced up as well. Right, so now the piston's ready. I've cleaned up the conrod. I'm going to use some aerodite, and wherever the gudgeon pin touches the piston and the conrod, coat that with aerodite and put it all back together. So now let's build back up. I've aerodited the gudgeon pin in and the conrod's set so it stays upright. Degreased it, get a little wipe over. Now I'm just going to give it some clear lacquer. There we have it. A couple of coats of clear gloss lacquer. So originally the piston starts out looking like this. Turn it on the lathe. Let's see, this one I painted the conrod black and clear coated it. This one I've left the conrod natural colour as it comes out, just cleaned it and clear coated it. These clock faces just push in. battery powered. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.